Ever wondered how a few innovative gadgets can turn your car into a high-tech, ultra-convenient haven on wheels? From gizmos that keep your ride looking fresh to those that enhance every drive, these must-have accessories can make a world of difference. Picture effortlessly fixing scratches, maintaining the pristine condition of your vehicle's surfaces, or even diagnosing car issues right from your driveway. And don't worry, we've included links in the description so you can check out the prices or buy them directly. Let's dive into the world of car-enhancing gadgets. First, imagine a device that ensures your car always looks pristine. This easy-to-use repair tool can fix minor scratches quickly, restoring your car's exterior to its original condition. No more worrying about those pesky parking lot mishaps. Whether it's a small scratch or a more noticeable blemish, this tool makes your car look as good as new in no time. Plus, its compact design means you can keep it in your trunk for any unexpected scratches that need immediate attention. Next, there's an extraordinary hydrator that rejuvenates and protects your car's plastic and rubber surfaces. It includes UV protection to prevent fading and cracking, bringing back the original shine and texture to your dashboard and trim. Imagine applying this product to your car's exterior trim and interior surfaces, instantly reviving their look. The hydrating agents penetrate deeply, ensuring long-lasting protection and a fresh appearance, making your car look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Additionally, it can also make your car's belts almost infinite, providing exceptional durability and preventing premature wear. Ever struggled to clean those hard-to-reach areas in your car? This innovative gel conforms to the shape of vents, buttons, and crevices, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Imagine using this gel to clean your dashboard and console, effortlessly removing dust and debris. It's reusable and has a pleasant scent, making it a practical and enjoyable addition to your car cleaning routine. Say goodbye to the annoying gap between your car seats and the console. This ingenious filler prevents your phone, keys, and snacks from falling into the abyss, making every drive more convenient and hassle-free. Picture never having to dig between your seats to find lost items again. This filler fits perfectly in the gap, staying in place even during the bumpiest rides. It's a simple solution that adds a layer of convenience to your daily commute. For those looking to keep their car floors spotless, there are durable, all-weather mats that offer exceptional protection against dirt, mud, and spills, staying in place even during the most rigorous driving conditions. Imagine not worrying about the mess from rainy days or muddy shoes. These mats are designed to withstand heavy use and are easy to clean, making them perfect for any season and ensuring your car's interior stays pristine. Imagine diagnosing car issues right from your driveway. This scanner offers real-time data monitoring, ensuring your car's performance is always at its best, saving you time and money on mechanic visits. Picture plugging in this scanner and instantly getting a readout of your car's health. It's compatible with a wide range of car models and offers detailed insights into your vehicle's performance, helping you catch issues early and maintain optimal functioning. Need to keep your devices powered on the go? This charger, with its fast charging capabilities and multiple USB ports, ensures your phone, tablet, and GPS are always ready, making it perfect for road trips. Imagine never running out of battery during a long drive. This charger fits neatly into your car's cigarette lighter socket and provides quick charging for all your devices, ensuring you stay connected and entertained on the road. For the car enthusiasts, there's a tank designed to trap oil and moisture, keeping your engine clean and enhancing its performance. It's a must-have for anyone serious about car maintenance. Picture installing this tank and immediately noticing the difference in your engine's performance. It's easy to install and helps prolong the life of your engine by preventing buildup that can lead to wear and tear. For those detailed touch-ups, a precision tool allows for small paint repairs, restoring your car's finish to its original condition. It's lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Imagine using this tool to fix paint chips and scratches, bringing back the flawless look of your car's exterior. Its adjustable nozzle offers different spray patterns, making it versatile for various touch-up tasks. Another essential gadget records high-definition footage of your journeys, providing clear evidence in case of accidents or incidents, giving you peace of mind on the road. Imagine having a reliable witness to every drive. This device features loop recording, so you never have to worry about running out of space. It's easy to install and captures a wide-angle view of the road, ensuring you have detailed footage whenever you need it. Keep your essential cards organized with this compact holder that fits neatly in your car's console or glove compartment, ensuring they're always within reach. Imagine never having to search for your driver's license or credit cards again. This holder has multiple slots and a durable design, keeping your cards safe and easily accessible, adding convenience to your daily drive. For car cleaning enthusiasts, there's a product that provides a thick, clinging foam, ensuring a deep clean that's both effective and safe for all paint finishes. Imagine using this foam with a cannon to cover your car in a thick layer that lifts dirt and grime away. It's pH neutral and biodegradable, making it an environmentally friendly choice that's tough on dirt but gentle on your car's surface. Monitor your car's temperature accurately with a high-tech sleeve and sensor, preventing overheating and ensuring your engine stays within optimal temperature ranges. Imagine driving with the confidence that your engine is running at the right temperature. This device provides real-time data and is easy to install, giving you peace of mind on long trips or during intense driving conditions. A simple yet effective accessory keeps your car's cup holders clean by preventing spills and condensation, with a customizable design that adds a personal touch. Imagine never having to clean sticky messes from your cup holders again. These coasters absorb moisture and are easy to remove and clean, making them a practical addition to your car's interior. Add a touch of personality to your gear shift with a fun, protective cover that also offers a cozy feel, making your driving experience more enjoyable. Imagine every shift feeling soft and comfortable. This cover protects your gear shift from wear and tear while adding a unique style to your car's interior. It's easy to install and fits most gear shifts, making it a fun and functional accessory. Protect your car's interior from the sun's harsh rays with a reflective shade that keeps your car cool, blocking out heat and UV rays. Imagine getting into a cool car on a hot day. This shade is easy to set up and fold away, providing effective protection against sun damage and heat buildup, ensuring your car's interior stays comfortable. For emergency situations, there's a compact starter that gets your car running again, ensuring you're never stranded with a dead battery. Imagine having the power to jumpstart your car anywhere, anytime. This starter is small enough to fit in your glove compartment but powerful enough to start your car, providing peace of mind and security during unexpected breakdowns. Lastly, a portable compressor is perfect for keeping your tires at the correct pressure, providing convenience and safety on the road. Imagine always having properly inflated tires, improving your car's performance and fuel efficiency. This compressor is easy to use and store, making it an essential tool for regular car maintenance and long road trips. Keep your car tidy with this convenient trash can that attaches securely inside your vehicle. Imagine a clutter-free car interior where trash is neatly contained and easily disposed of. This trash can is durable and easy to clean, making it a practical addition to your car. Ensure your wheels are aligned perfectly with this camber tool, enhancing your car's handling and tire life. Imagine driving with the confidence that your wheels are aligned correctly, providing a smoother and safer ride. This tool is easy to use and provides accurate measurements, making it a valuable addition to any car maintenance toolkit. Transform your driving experience with these incredible gadgets. Check out the links in the description to see the prices or make a purchase. Enhance your ride with these essential tools. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video.